Black bean salsa to make at home. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. Black bean salsa is a wonderful accompaniment for Taco Tuesday. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 can of black beans, 1/2 cup of pimentos that have been diced. You can use canned. 4 green onions chopped, including some of the green tops. 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. 1/8 teaspoon ground cumin. 'Toss all the ingredients together to mix well. Refrigerate your salsa until well chilled before serving. Refrigerate any leftovers. This recipe makes about 2.5 cups of salsa. Serve with tortilla chips. I have a recipe and a video on making your own. It's so easy. This recipe goes really well inside a quesadilla. And this is also perfect as a side on Taco Tuesday taco bar. For more salsa recipes, check out this playlist. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.